Good morning students. How are you all? We will continue with explanation of chapter number 8 body movements session number 2. In last sessions children we have discussed about different organs, right? In that we have discussed about three systems which helps us in movement of our body. One is muscular, second is nervous and third is skeletal system. Then we have discussed about function of skeletal system. Now we will start with different parts of skeletal system. So first is skull. Skull means the bone which is situated on our head, right? So the bone of the skull are the hardest of all the bones. जो हमारे सिर का बोन होता है वो सबसे हार्ड होता है, that is called as skull. So the bone of skull is the hardest of all. Some of this form the cranium or the cover of the brain. Now you can see that the upper top part, okay, the top part of the skull is called as cranium. The rest of the facial bones which gives space to the shape to the face. और जो नीचे की जो पोर्शन होती है स्कल की वो हमारे फेस को शेप करती है. एंड द अपर जॉ ऑफ द स्कल इज इमूवेबल बट द लोअर जॉ इज मूवेबल. जो ऊपर का जॉ होता है वो फिक्स्ड होता है और जो नीचे का जॉ होता है जहाँ पे हमारे चेन होती है वो बोन मूवेबल होता है. दैट इज व्हाई वी कैन ओपन एंड क्लोज द माउथ. So this was about skull. Next is spine. Now this spine is situated on the back side of our body. So it is also called as backbone or vertebral column. So the spine is also called the vertebral column or backbone. That is why it gives C shape of our body from the back. It consists of many small bones known as vertebrae. Now you can see children here, there are small bones which are called as vertebrae and singular form it is called as vertebra. The vertebrae are hollow at the center and joined together from the tube. See, on the center they are hollow like pipe, okay? The vertebrae are hollow like pipe and it is fixed from the outer frame. Right? You can see here children, inside it there is a space. The vertebrae run right down from the neck to below the hip. Now here children, our neck is fixed and here we are having our hip joint. So it is connecting the neck to the hip of our body. So it is having C shape. There is a rubbery tissue called cartilage. Between them, it allows them to move smoothly. Now you can see here the center portion, it is called as cartilage, which is rubber-like soft structure which allows the spine to move and get erect. It allows the spine to work smoothly. The next is the rib cage running through the center of the chest in the breastbone. Now where is this rib cage situated? It is situated in the chest, okay? In the center part of our body. Joined to it a strong curved flexible bone called ribs. Now here the ribs are joined. So it is acting as a cage. Inside this rib cage we are having heart and lungs of our body. So it is acting as a frame. The ribs curve around and join the vertebral column at the back to form a protective cover for the lungs and heart. So lungs and heart are situated inside this rib cage and this rib cage is joined here with vertebrae. Okay, so here it is vertebrae which is connecting to our backbone. This cover is called as rib cage. It is acting as a cage. जैसे हम पिंजरा देखते हैं, राइट? एनिमल्स को हम पिंजरे में रखते हैं, वैसे ही ये एक गॉड गिफ्टेड पिंजरे जैसा होता है जो हमारे हार्ट और लंग्स को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. And the bones are hollow inside. Now this rib cage, children, you can see in the X-ray also. कभी आपने खुद का एक्सरे निकाला होगा तो एक्सरे के अंदर भी आपको खुद के रिब केजेस दिखेंगे, because these rib cages are made up of bone. So first part we have discussed is skull, which is a very important part of our skeletal system. Second is our spine, and third is rib cage. In next session we will discuss further about different bones, joint bones of our body. Thank you and have a nice day, children.